Admission of a partner. Here we will study meaning of admission of a partner and easy method of calculating new and sacrifice ratio. Meaning of reconstitution. Reconstitution means change in the form of partnership. Different forms of reconstitutions are change in profit sharing of existing partner, admission, retirement, death of a partner. We'll study admission of a partner. The new partner is admitted in the business is called admission. He brings capital as well as goodwill and share the profits of or losses of a business. Need of admission. The new partner is admitted in the firm to expand the capital base as well as to use the skill of that person to improve the overall performance. While solving the problem of admission, we have to calculate new and sacrifice ratio. When new partner is admitted, old partners have to sacrifice their share of profit to give the share of profit to new partner. Let's take an example. Rujuta and Prithvi are sisters sharing an apple equally. It means both will get half the apple as share. Now their two cousins join them. Then they have to share the part of apple with them. So Rujuta and Prithvi again cut their part of apple in two parts and share it with their cousins. Now everyone have 1/4 part of apple. Here you can see Rujuta and Prithvi have to sacrifice their part of apple. Same concept is applied in admission. When new partner is admitted, old partner have to sacrifice some share to give the share to new partner. Sacrifice ratio is used while retaining goodwill in business. There are two methods of calculating sacrifice ratio. Where first method is if new ratio is given, then we have to use the equation. If new ratio is not given, instead of that new partner share is given, then no need to calculate sacrifice ratio because sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio. Before taking an example, we will see how to convert ratios in fraction. First example, ratio of A and B is 1:1. We'll take it as a numerator, add the share 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2, which is our denominator. So ratio of A and B in fraction form is 1/2 is to 1/2. Another example, ratio of X and Y is 2:1, which is numerator. Add the share 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. This is our denominator. So ratio of X and Y in fraction form is 2/3 is to 1/3. Example of sacrifice ratio under method 1. If A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in 3:2, they admitted C. Now their new ratio is 3:2:1. Here new ratio is given, so we have to use equation. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old minus new ratio. Only old partners sacrifice their share, so sacrifice ratio is calculated for old partners only. Old partners are A and B. So share of A in sacrifice ratio is 3/5 minus 3/6. Old ratio of A 3/5. New ratio of A 3/6. 3/5 minus 3/6. Make the denominator equal and we'll get 3/30. Share of B in sacrifice ratio. Share of B in old ratio 2/5. Minus share of B in new ratio 2/6. Make the denominator equal, will get 2/30. So sacrifice ratio is 3:2. Example of sacrifice ratio under method 2. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admitted C for 1/4 share in future profit. Here new ratio is not given. Instead 1/4 share, that is new partner share, is given. So no need to calculate sacrifice ratio because old ratio is equal to sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio is 3:2. New ratio. New ratio is the ratio of all partners after the admission of new partner. New ratio is used while writing of goodwill and capital adjustment. Again, there are two methods of calculating new ratio. First method, if sacrifice ratio is not given, and second, if sacrifice ratio is given. If sacrifice ratio is not given, then we have to follow 3 steps, and if sacrifice ratio is given, then we have to use the equation to calculate new ratio. First method, if sacrifice ratio is not given, first step is assume that the firm's profit is ₹1. Second step, calculate balance left. Balance left is equal to 1 minus share of new partner. Step 3, calculate the share of old partners in new ratio, which is equal to balance left into old ratio. Second method is if sacrifice ratio not given, then we have to use the equation new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Same equation is used for calculating sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Let's take an example. Mohan and Ganpat are sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:3. They admitted Chandrakant for 1/4 share in future profit. Calculate new ratio and sacrifice ratio. Here 1/4 share, that is new partner's share, is given, so no need to calculate sacrifice ratio because sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio. Information given in problem: name of old partners Mohan and Ganpat, old ratio 2:3, convert it into fraction form 2/5:3/5. New partner Chandrakant, share of new partner is 1/4. First step for calculating new ratio. Assumption. Here sacrifice ratio is not given, so we have to follow 3 steps. First step, assumption. Let the profit be ₹1. Step 2, calculate balance left. Balance left is equal to 1 minus share of new partner. 1 minus 1/4. That is 3/4. Let us see the simple trick of calculating balance left. Check the new partner's share. Here it is 1/4. So the denominator is 4. Then take the 4 on fingers. Step 2. Check numerator of new partner's share, which is 1, because new partner's share is 1/4. So close one finger. Now the balance left is number of fingers left on your hand, that is 3. So the balance left is equal to 3/4. Step 3, share of old partners in the new ratio. Share of old partner in new ratio is equal to old ratio into balance left. Mohan's share is equal to old ratio 2/5 into balance left 3/4, which is equal to 6/20. Ganpat's share is equal to 3/5 old ratio into 3/4, which is equal to 9/20. So the new ratio of Mohan, Ganpat and Chandrakant is 6/20 is to 9/20 is to 1/4. Again make the denominator equal. So the new ratio is 6 is to 9 is to 5. Thank you for watching the video. Click on below link given in description to join our online lectures, and subscribe or like my videos to get more update or new updates about latest videos. Thank you.